we got this old boat, 76 Silverline, 233 Mercruiser with a Ford. I hate to say that, but it's got a Ford in it. We're supposed to be Chevy guys, but the price was right. It was a $500 boat with a bad starter on it. It kind of semi messed up the flywheel, but we got a starter for 75 bucks off eBay.
So we got it going.
We got it going, but the alternator's not charging. And when the battery runs down a bit, she just quits because you're not getting enough power to the coil to run the points. So we're thinking about taking it out today just to try it out. It's been 4 years, isn't it? 3 years?
3 years.
Since we bought this thing?
Never taken it out.
So let's...
we want to try to sell it.
We're going to try and sell it. Make some money on it. we got our Chevy here. It's a 78 Silverline with the Chevy, and that's all that counts.
We're keeping that one.
We're gonna hot wire the coil and see if she starts any better. Go ahead. Give her a little throttle. Whoop. Try it again. Okay. Again. Switch is messing up, isn't it? Oh. It doesn't feel like it's coming off quick enough, that switch. Give it a little more throttle.
Runs pretty good though for a Ford.
Amazing for a Ford. It's one of the miracle Fords.
Yeah. Maybe it's not even a Ford.
Maybe it's a Ford guy that disguised it as a Ford. Maybe it's really a Chevy.
I bet it is a Chevy.
It's got Ford valve covers on it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're fixing the lights. The dummy that rigged the lights up, it's pretty jimmy rigged, so we're fixing it. Anyway, we'll get the lights fixed. And we'll
make sure it's running good.
Yeah, we'll fire it up once more. Take some extra gas with us.
And we'll go out to what? Doors Point?
Doors Point on the reservoir. And hopefully we've got to take some stuff out of the other boat.
Yeah.
Fire extinguisher,
life jacket,
jackets, whatever else we think we need. Some tools. And we don't have a horn. The horn doesn't work. To be legal, we need the horn to work, but I think the lights work. Not that we need them.
We're trying it again.
Let me know, but just before you go to turn it over.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Unusual for a Ford.
We're almost ready to go. The life jackets. That's not that right.
It's your hat there on the door. Well, she's floating so far. We missed we would have had a good clip there, but we almost backed into a couple of boats. They had a rookie driver.
They were too close anyway. They didn't even wait for us to get out.
Anyway, we avoided collision. That's good. And we're on the Hungry Horse Reservoir here. She's still running, amazingly, for a Ford. gonna bake my chrome dome right off here. It's gonna be baked. I gotta get my umbrella out. I'm okay. So we're gonna give her a little gas here.
Watch out.
Give her a little gas here in a bit. Get right on. Then we're doing on her. That boat's flying off.
So we're probably gonna jump in the water, get cooled off. It's kind of hot.
Okay. We shut her off. Hopefully we can get her going again.
Go to that side.
Kyle's gonna jump in. Gonna get cooled off. Don't get caught on the handrail. Nice and warm?
Yeah, it's kind of cold at first, but
Well, I think I'll jump off then.
probably you want to put the ladder down first.
Yeah, that's right. We got no ramp on the back, have we? There's nothing back here like the other boat. I won't be able to get up. You want to go for a swim? You're number 2. This will cool you off. Okay? It's been a while since you've been swimming. There. There.
Yep.
Gonna be nice. Start paddling. There, paddle for your life. Your life depends on it. There, good boy. Go for a swim.
Come here, buddy. Come here.
Come on. Come on, I'll get you. You're making headway. Come on. Come on. That'll cool you off. Yep, we're getting cooled off. What do you think, Cosmo? Did you get cooled off? You got a little too cool, maybe.
So maybe a little bit. We'll just drive it around a little more.
Yeah, take for another spin.
It's nice out.
She just died on us. We're going full throttle and all of a sudden she just quit. It's like going from 50 mile an hour to 0 in 2 seconds. We don't know what it was. It just cut power, but it's running again. We'll try another little cruise.
Do it again. It just quits like that. Turn the key off.
Yep, she just decides to quit.
It's weird.
That's not dependable. That's Ford.
Yeah, I wonder. That's why we're selling this piece of junk. We're hit.
I guess we should have filmed it coming out of the water.
Yeah.
That'd be more like success. It is on there, folks. Got her back out of the water.
Yep.
And we know what bugs we got to work on to get it fixed, get it run a little better.
It ran fairly good though for the first time in 4 years.
Ran excellent for a Ford.
Yeah.
That's
I don't think it's a Ford. It's probably not.
You think it's a Chevy with Ford valve covers?
Yeah, that's what it is. So this will be it for this video.
Yep. It's for this one.
Say bye, Cosmo.
What's that? Look! Ah! Deer! Bye for now.